So for this significant figure, so we're going to use the two rules. So the first rule for non-decimal numbers. So take note that from the first non-zero digit to the last non-zero digit. So for this given, so using the rule of the non-decimal numbers, so from the first non-zero digit to the last non-zero digit, so therefore for this given, there are three significant figures. Then for this given, so again, from the first non-zero digit to the last non-zero digit, so therefore, there are 6 significant figures for this given. Then for this given, so for the non-decimal numbers, so from the first non-zero digit to the last non-zero digit. So therefore, these are the significant figures. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 significant figures for this given. Then for this given, so from the first non-zero digit to the last non-zero digit, so therefore for this given, there is only one significant figures. And for this given, so for the non-decimal numbers, from the first non-zero digit to the last non-zero digit, so therefore for this given, there are four significant figures. Then the second rule, the decimal numbers. So for decimal numbers, from the first non-zero digit to the last digit, so for this given, so this is a decimal number. So using this rule, from the first non-zero to the last, so therefore for this given, there are three significant figures. And for this given, so this one is decimal. So from the first non-zero digit to the last, so therefore there are 7 significant figures. And for this given, so this one is decimal. So from the first non-zero to the last, so for this given, there are 4 significant figures. Then for this given, so this one is decimal. So from the first non-zero to the last, so for this given, there are 3 significant figures. And for this given, so since this one is decimal, so from the first non-zero to the last, so for this given, there are 7 significant figures. Then in rounding up significant figures for this given, so if we want to round up this number to 5 significant figures, so these are the 5 significant figures. And observe the next number is 7, so greater than 5, therefore plus 1. So this becomes 8793.1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. Then for this given, round off to 3 significant figures. So from this given, so these are the 3 significant figures. So observe in rounding up numbers, so we need to drop the decimal, and for this whole number becomes 0. But since this one is 3 less than 5, therefore just copy these 3 numbers. So we have 879. So this is equal to 8,790, and this one is 3 significant figures. Then for this given, for 1 significant figures, so from this given, this is the 1 significant figure. Then again, we need to drop this decimal, and these whole numbers become 0. this becomes 0, and this becomes 0. But since next to this number is 7, that's greater than 5, so this is plus 1, therefore this becomes 9. So this is equal to 9,000, and 9,000 is one significant figure. And for this given, so to 7 significant figures. So for this given, so these are the 7 significant figures. And again, we need to drop the decimal since this one is 4 less than 5. So just copy these numbers. So this is equal to 8793.073. Then if we have this given and round off to 3 significant figures, so these are the 3 significant figures. Again, we need to drop the decimal, and since this one is 2, so less than 5, therefore just copy these numbers. So this is 0.997, and for 2 significant figures, so these are the 2 significant figures. So again, drop this decimal, but since this one is 7, so greater than 5, therefore plus 1, so this becomes 10, carry 1, and this becomes 10, carry 1, so this is 1.00. But since we only need 2 significant figures, so therefore we need to drop this 0. So the answer is 1.0, and 1.0 is 2 significant figures. Then for this given, for 1 significant figure, so this is the 1 significant figure, then we need to drop this decimal. Since this one is 9, so therefore plus 1. So 9 plus 1, this becomes 10. So 0, carry 1. So this is 1.0. But since we need 1 significant figure, therefore drop this 0. So therefore this is 1. Then for this given 4 significant figures, so these are the 4 significant figures. Then we need to drop this decimal. Since this one is 5, therefore plus 1. So this becomes 3. So this is 0.9973.